The ruling ZANU-PF party has emerged victorious in the recently held local authority by-elections in April Ward 6 at Chinhoyi Ward 14 amid widespread voter apathy and concerns over the fairness of electoral process. Sanapena mashoko obuda panapa achinzi democracy in Zimbabwe is on life support. Panguva ino pari kunzi ZANU-PF iri kuclaima victory muma-elections ese maby-elections ari kuitiwa. Rori subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina munozere mubudanyi kwa mchinzi. In April Ward 6, ZANU-PF candidate Bushe Civilized won with a landslide, garnering 3.022 votes, according to Chirere Ocean Chenjerai, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission ZVAITWA election officer for the area. Civilized was followed distantly by MDC-TC Alice Nyawonji, who managed a paltry 120 votes, while independent candidate Peter Nyapeto secured only 23 votes. Meanwhile, in Ward 14 Chinhoyi, ZANU-PF's Solomon Biswek was declared the winner with 599 votes. According to Tawona Ponye, the ZEC election officer, independent candidate Hope Zimbiri came second with 194 votes. While ZANU-PF celebrated the win as a show of continued support, critics have raised questions about the level of public engagement and the credibility of the process. The alarmingly low voter turnout in both areas, especially in Chinhoyi, where fewer than 800 votes were cast, has intensified claims that Zimbabwe's elections are failing to energize or inspire voters. Opposition parties have remained largely silent on the outcomes, likely reflecting both their waning influence and public frustration with the fractured state of the opposition itself. Observers also noted the absence of any significant civic engagement or voter education in the lead up to the polls, further reinforcing the perception that these elections were little more than formalities, rubber stamping ZANU-PF's grip on power. Ndo mashikari kuda panguva ino pobuda pachinzi aiwa ma-elections emunyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino aiwa they are totally flawed, and panguva ino they are labeling them as the elections are on life support. Democracy munyika yeZimbabwe yachizofa. Tudze mafunguro enyu motodei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakume section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.